Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to unlock the LG K51 model K500UM from Boost or Dish USA using Global Unlocker Pro. So first thing you want to do is log in your Global Unlocker Pro tool using the username and password you got from our website. Once you're logged in, connect the phone to the computer with USB debugging turned on. Now in our case, the phone didn't show up in the tool right away. If that happens to you, no worries, it's usually a driver issue. Go to Device Manager and check if the phone is showing up there. If you don't see ADB interference or anything similar, and you're sure you turned on USB debugging on your device settings, then yeah, it's probably a missing driver. What we did next was head over to the Global Unlocker download page and install the LG drivers from there. After the install, the tool automatically detected the phone. Just make sure you allow USB debugging on the phone screen when the pop-up shows up. Once the phone is detected, the unlock button becomes active. Just hit unlock, give it a few seconds, and it's done. That's it, unlocked. Global Unlocker Pro supports a ton of models and works on a credit-based system, so no subscriptions or yearly fees, just pay as you go. You can get this tool and other pro unlocking software from our website, and if you ever need help, we've got support available also. Thanks for watching, and if this was useful, give it a like, a subscribe, so we can keep making more content like this.